Okay, so napaka-clear dito yung impulsive move na ginawa ni gold. Yung in-anticipate ko na mangyari dito is karoon muna to ng correction, then after correction, next possible move is to the downside. Okay, so napaka-clear. Okay, so yan yung nakikita ko ngayon kay gold. Anyway, so yun, next possible move dito, okay, na tinitingnan ko is magkaroon muna ng correction, and then after that is magkaroon to ng down move. Okay, so I'll be looking for a buy setup dito kay gold. Okay, within this area. Okay. So next is GBP USD. GBP USD, okay, same din, no? Same din kay Euro USD. Okay, so possibly magkaroon nito ng correction, and the next possible move is to the downside. Okay,